Hi everyone, I'm Ying. My metric number is 196605 from the core curriculum class of Protocol and Etiquette. So today I'm going to share about the flag arrangement protocol that we need to follow if we have the chance to organize any formal or informal event. So as a Malaysian, I think it is very important for us to know the correct arrangement to show respect and formality, especially when we are organizing an event. So without further ado, let's start. So first, we will start with the sequence of the state flags that are based on the Yang di-Pertuan Agong. So the protocol precedence for flying all the state flags will follow the precedence of Duli Yang Maha Mulia Raja-Raja and Yang di-Pertuan Negeri. So therefore, the protocol precedence is as follows. The first will be Malaysia, second Terengganu, third Perlis, fourth Selangor, fifth Negeri Sembilan, sixth Johor, seventh Kelantan, eighth Perak, ninth Kedah, 10th Pahang, and then 11th will be Penang, 12 Melaka, 13 Sabah, 14 Sarawak, and the last one would be the Wilayah Persekutuan. So as you can see, Pahang state flag is at the 10th place because the current Yang di-Pertuan Agong is Sultan Pahang. Then here comes the important kekakanan rules for flag arrangement in specific events. And all the examples given will be based on the second person point of view, which means we as the audience that stand in front of the flag will be facing the flag. Next, if the flags are raised in a straight line as you face them from left to right, so the order would be the first one, priority one, will be on the left, which means a Malaysia flag will be on the left, and then the second one will be Terengganu, third one will be Perlis, fourth one will be Selangor, fifth one will be Negeri Sembilan, sixth one will be Johor, 7 is Kelantan, 8 is Perak, 9 is Kedah, 10 is Pahang, 11 is Penang, 12 is Melaka, 13 is Sabah, then Sarawak and Wilayah Persekutuan. So there is another scenario if we take the middle as the precedence. So the order will be, in the middle will be the priority flag, which is in this case will be the Malaysian flag. So the Malaysian flag will be in the middle, and on the right side of the Malaysian flag will be all the even numbers according to the even numbers of the state flag according to the precedence of the state flag, and on the left side will be the odd number of the state flag according to the precedence number. So for example, you can see that Malaysian flag will be in the middle, and on the right side will be Terengganu, Selangor, Johor, Perak, Pahang, Melaka, and also Sarawak. And on the left side will be Perlis, Negeri Sembilan, Kelantan, Kedah, Penang, Sabah, and also Wilayah Persekutuan's flag. Next, if the flags are flown in two lines in front of a stage, the arrangement will be as follows. So the stage will be in the middle, and the priority flag will be on the left. So starting from the first one, so the first flag on the left will be Malaysian flag, and on the right side of the stage will be the second flag. So on the right side will be all the even numbers according to the precedence of the state flag, and on the left side will be on all the odd numbers according to precedence of the state flags. So if the stage is in the middle, and the left side will be the Malaysian flag, followed by the Perlis, Negeri Sembilan, Kelantan, Kedah, Penang, Sabah, and Wilayah Persekutuan. And on the right side will be Terengganu, Selangor, Johor, Perak, Pahang, Melaka, and also the last one is the Sarawak flag. So, if only two flags are flown during a state function, where, for example, let's say Penang state government is the organizer, then the arrangement would be the Penang flag will be on the left, and then the Malaysian flag will be on the right, because Penang is the organizer and should be prioritized. So next, moving on, if only two flags are flown during federal function, so this time it's a federal function, and it may be celebrated in the state, for example, in Sabah. So then the flags should be arranged as the Malaysian flag on the left side and the Sabah flag on the right side, because this is a federal function, so the Malaysian flag should be prioritized. So now, if three flags are flown during the state function, for example, the Malaysian flag, the state flag, and the association or clubs or any agencies, flags, etc. Yeah, so for example, the state function now is organized by Johor, let's say. And then the arrangement would be the Malaysian flag on the left side, and then in the middle would be the Johor flag, and on the right side of the Johor flag would be any association flags in the function. Because it's a state function, so Johor flag will be in the middle. Yeah. Then, if 3 flags are flown during a federal function, so for example, National Day, which is the Hari Kebangsaan, and for example, it is taking place in Selangor this time. Yeah, so the precedence will be as follows, like the Selangor flag will be on the left side, and the Malaysian flag will be in the middle because it is a federal function, so the Malaysian flags should be prioritized, so it will be in the middle. And then on the right side of the Malaysian flag will be any association flags in the function. So lastly, during the official visit of a head of state or VIP from another state or foreign country, the state government should give courtesy to the VIP and also the flag of that particular country. So the flag of that particular country will take precedence over Malaysian and also the state flag. So let's give an example here. So for example, the visit of Singapore's Prime Minister in Wilayah Persekutuan, Kuala Lumpur. So the flags will be flown as Malaysian flag will be on the left side, and then the Singapore flag will be in the middle because they are the guests, so we should prioritize them. So their flag will be in the middle. And on the right side of the Singaporean flag will be the Wilayah Persekutuan Kuala Lumpur Federal Territories flag. Yeah, so that's all that you need to know for the flag arrangement. I hope you get more insight into this. Thank you and enjoy.